Okay. So go over to the right, go on.